You're trying to open an app on your Xiaomi Redmi A5, but it lags, crashes, or your storage is suddenly almost full. Before deleting your photos or uninstalling apps you still need, there's a smarter way to free up space and speed things up. Here's how to clear app cache and data safely. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then tap See All Apps to view the complete list. Find the app you want to clean, let's use Chrome as an example, and tap it. On the App Info screen, tap Storage and Cache. You'll see how much space the app is using. Tap Clear Cache to delete temporary files like images and stored data. This keeps your settings and logins intact while freeing up space. If you need a deeper clean, tap Clear Storage. You'll get 3 options: Free Up Space, Manage, and Clear All Data. Tap Free Up Space to remove unimportant site data. Tap Manage to view and control cookies or site storage. Tap Clear All Data to completely reset the app, including accounts, bookmarks, and settings. Confirm your choice by tapping OK when prompted. Once done, the cache and user data will reset to 0, and the app will feel brand new. You'll need to log back in and reconfigure settings, but performance will noticeably improve. Repeat these steps for other apps to reclaim even more storage on your Redmi A5. And that's it. If this video helped you clean up your phone and make it faster, give it a like or watch another tutorial to discover more ways to optimize your Android smartphone. Thanks for watching.